Hey, this is Tony at Rut Manufacturing. Today we're going to take a look at our drum mulcher, otherwise what we like to call the Devastator, and we call it that for a good reason. We'll start with the business end. Got 24 knives on here that come standard. You can see how wide they are. They're all in a spiral shape. We went with 24 because you can get too many of them. It looks cool, but it bogs down. 24, and this thing's moving so fast, you don't need any more. It chews it up. Plus, another advantage, when it comes time to replace them, you can do that for under $500. Where on most drum mulchers, you're looking at $1,500 to $2,000 to replace a set of knives. This is how they come standard. We've also got carbides as an option. Underneath here, liner is a bolt-in liner, so it can be replaced fairly easily. I say fairly easily. You still got to take it apart, but you don't have to do no cutting and re-welding. It's all bolt-in. Moving up from there, we look at the push bar. Push bar's got three angles you can adjust it on. Adjust it higher, down lower to give it more tilt, and even the lowest position to give it more of a forward tilt. If you're getting on big trees or something, you want that push bar to hit that much quicker, you just drop it down a little bit. We do not have these with a door, and that's for the simplicity. Doors, some people like them, most people don't. We don't really care that much for them because they get in the way when you're trying to go into the brush. This thing still throws the material straight down in front of you. So really no need for a door and no need for the extra wiring harness or any of that. This particular model here is set up for 30 to 45 gallons a minute. It's the optimum flow for them. Can run it all the way up to 50 if you have a machine that's got 50. 75-inch cut. Comes standard with the 3/4 couplers. Some of your machines have 1/2-inch couplers, like the Bobcats and some of the John Deeres, and we put the 1/2-inch couplers on them. It does require the case drain, as does most every drum mulcher. One of the reasons for that is the same motor on here is what's on most of them. It's got the Bosch Rexroth variable displacement motor. So just like the rest of our attachments, when it leaves here and heads to you, it is tuned for your machine. We spec everything out, get you the right tip speed and everything based on the PSI and the gallon per minute flow of your machine. So when you get it, it's plug and play. You're ready to go. You can see how heavy this thing's built. I mean, it's built like an absolute tank. And when we say Devastator, it will actually devastate the stuff. I mean, you get a nice clean finish out of it and it will chew it up. Protective chains back here at the back, keep the debris from hitting the operator. Run all the way across here. This is also belt driven.